Hello everyone, and welcome to the Plant Biodiversity series. In this video, we will be looking at mixed plant biodiversity questions. So in the previous videos, we looked at questions based only on Bryophytes or Pteridophytes, Gymnosperms. However, in this video, we will be looking at questions where all 4 or 2 divisions are placed into one question. So our first question is from the KZN March 2026 Provincial test. So the diagram below shows a possible evolutionary relationship within plant diversity. So the diagram that we are given is a phylogenetic tree, as it shows us the evolutionary relationships between the different plant divisions as well as their common ancestors. I would like you to please pause the video and answer the questions. Question 2.3.1. Name the diagram above. The diagram above is a cladogram or a phylogenetic tree. 1 mark. 2.3.2. Identify the following plant groups. So plant group X evolved after Bryophytes but before Gymnosperms, so that would be the Pteridophytes. Identify plant group Y. So this is referring to Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Both of these are seed-bearing plants. Therefore, they will have the term or the root word sperm in their name. So these are the spermatophytes, so seed-bearing plants. Note the difference between the two types of plants. Question 2.3.3 asks you to state one difference between seed A and seed B. Now let's look at the words gymnosperm and angiosperm. If we break up the word gymnosperm into two, the part gymno means naked and sperm means seed. So a gymnosperm is a naked seed. If we break up the word angiosperm, it goes as follows. Angio means vessel and sperm means seed, because the seed is contained in a vessel such as a fruit. So let's look at the differences. Seed A is naked. Seed B, which is the angiosperm, is covered by or enclosed in a fruit. So 1 mark for stating each difference. You could also say that seed A has a papery wing and is therefore wind dispersed, and seed B is eaten and dispersed by animals. Question 2.3.4 asks you to explain how plant group X is suited for a terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial means land, aquatic means water. So why would plant group X, which is the Pteridophytes, be best suited for a terrestrial habitat? So you need to give 2 reasons. So number 1, it has a true stem, true leaves, and true roots, allowing it to grow to greater heights, or this allows it to absorb water and sunlight. Pteridophytes have vascular tissue, such as xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water, phloem transports food. Pteridophytes have a waxy cuticle. This means that the loss of water is greatly reduced. Pteridophytes reproduce by spores, so they are less dependent on water. So for this example, you don't necessarily have to give 2 reasons. You have to give 1 reason and then explain that reason. So with the vascular tissue, mark number 1, they have vascular tissue. What does this allow? How does this allow them to thrive on land? It means that they can transport food and water and grow. The fact that they have a true stem, roots, and leaves means that they can grow taller. When we look at the bryophytes, we see that they don't have these true tissues, therefore they remain close to the ground as possible. Count your marks and give yourself a mark out of 11. Thank you.